Today, I'm going to show you how to stay productive for 99% of the day. It sounds like a dream, right? Get ready, because by the end of this video, you'll have actionable tips to make that dream a reality. We'll cover topics like physical health, task management, technology, and deep focus periods. So, let's dive in. Section 1. Maintaining physical health. First, let's discuss the importance of physical health. Without a strong foundation in this area, your productivity will be as unstable as a house of cards in a storm. 1. Sleep. Sleep is the cornerstone of good health. Aim for 6 to 8 hours of sleep each night. And no, staring at your phone in bed doesn't count. Make sure your sleep environment is right. A dark room with a temperature around 70 degrees Fahrenheit, 21 degrees Celsius, works best. Avoid artificial light at bedtime and maybe try candles. Just be careful not to start a fire. 2. Nutrition. Eat whole, unprocessed foods. If it's something you can hunt, pick, or dig up, you're on the right track. Single-ingredient foods like eggs, meats, veggies, and fruits help you keep your energy stable throughout the day. And no, a balanced diet does not mean a cookie in each hand. 3. Exercise. Regular physical activity is essential for staying energetic and productive. Lifting the remote doesn't count. Aim for 30 minutes of movement every day. Steer clear of things that can slow you down, like alcohol and nicotine. Remember, your body is a temple, not a garbage dump. Section 2. Capturing and organizing tasks. Capture your ideas and tasks, then organize them effectively. It's not rocket science, but without the right system, it can feel chaotic. As David Allen says, your brain is for having ideas, not holding them. Use tools like Todoist to immediately record your thoughts and tasks. Consider this app your brain's external hard drive. Organize information based on how you'll use it. For example, if you get a marketing idea while working out, add it to your work calendar, not random sticky notes scattered around your monitor like a Post-it fanatic. Section 3. Using Technology 1. Phone management. Keep your phone out of sight while you work. Set it to Do Not Disturb and only check it after finishing a work session. Trust me, Instagram will still be there later. 2. Software. Use tools like Notion to organize your workflow. These apps act as digital personal assistants, helping you stay efficient without demanding a raise. Section 4. Deep focus. Periods. Deep focus periods, or monk mode, allow you to dive into important tasks with no distractions. And no, you don't need to shave your head or move to a monastery. Monk mode means fully immersing yourself in work. Set rules for yourself like no alcohol, 30 minutes of daily exercise, and 10 minutes of meditation. Depending on your needs, you can add other rules, like limiting screen time or practicing a new skill. Aim for at least 21 days of monk mode for real results. But don't forget to take breaks. Everyone, even monks, needs rest. Section 5. Practical examples and tips. Here are some practical tips to help you implement these strategies. Let's call these productivity hacks. For task management, if you receive a message to review a document while commuting, add it to your task list like Review Document and Reply to Mike. This way, you won't forget, and you can focus on it later. And yes, it's okay to check memes in your downtime. Balance is key. Section 6. Building a productivity system. Your productivity system will have several layers. Think of it like peeling an onion, but this one won't make you cry. 1. Basic management. Use a digital calendar, like Google Calendar, to manage your time and block out time for tasks. Also, create an email system to handle communications and use cloud storage to organize files. Remember, if it's not on the calendar, it doesn't exist. 2. Enhanced productivity. Use apps like Instapaper to save articles for later, so you can read them during downtime, like a long bathroom break. 3. Advanced productivity. Build a second brain with apps like Roam Research or Obsidian to connect your thoughts and ideas. This system will help you create new insights and enhance your creativity. Section 7. Benefits of Monk Mode. Monk Mode offers many benefits, including better focus and productivity. You'll complete complex tasks and reach big goals, all while resetting your dopamine levels to enjoy simple pleasures more. Plus, it helps you grow personally by taking on bigger challenges. Section 8. Tips for implementing Monk Mode. Start small and build up gradually. Set clear goals, inform your friends and family, and adjust your approach based on your needs. Track your progress and don't forget to celebrate those small wins. By focusing on physical health, managing tasks effectively, using technology wisely, and incorporating deep focus periods like Monk Mode, you can be productive almost all day. Try these tips and see what works best for you. And most importantly, stay positive. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos. This is the best channel for crypto, stocks, and investing. The Token team wishes you success in all your endeavors. Together, we rise.